Hello, and welcome to the Healthy Life with Kimmy podcast, your go-to source for all things related to healthy living and well-being. I am your host, Kimmy Nunnally, and I'm so thrilled that you are on this journey with me. I am on a journey to a healthier and happier and more vibrant life. Also, please check out my YouTube channel, Healthy Life with Kimmy, where we have discussions, interviews, and practical tips. We also have the free email list so you never miss when I go live. I hope you enjoyed this episode and welcome again where fit is the new it. Hello. Hey guys, this is Healthy Life with Kimmy. I am out working and I decided to take a little walk. And you guys know I did a video yesterday about my confession eating at a restaurant. So I'm out taking a walk. I come across Brewster's ice cream. I don't know if you're familiar with Brewster's or not. But Brewster's, normally when I come here, I get the chocolate turtle. Oh my goodness, it is delicious. But today, I ordered a sugar-free option. And it's actually very good. I normally do not order sugar-free. Hold on, sorry about the camera. Yeah, I normally don't order sugar-free. I'm going to talk to y'all while I eat it. But, it's really good. It's called Strawberry Swirl. I got the small cone, and it's good. I never order sugar-free anything. I usually would rather have a little bit of the real thing than order sugar-free or something. But it's good. So I wanted to share that with you. Don't be afraid to try something that you wouldn't normally try if it'll help you stay on your plan. I hope the sun is not too bad, that you can, the brightness and everything. Hold on. I'm going to wrap it up. But my point today is don't be afraid to try something different. You know, again, I'm not normally a sugar-free person. I'd rather just not have it at all. But I kept walking past the ice cream and I couldn't let it go. So I asked the guy for a sample and he gave me one. So the only flavor they have sugar-free is called Strawberry Swirl. Again, this is the cone. It is delicious. You must try it at Brewster's. And again, if you don't have a Brewster's ice cream where you are, just try anything at another location. But ask for a sugar-free option if you're trying to cut back your calories. And again, don't be afraid. I'm trying all kind of different stuff. I'm trying different fruits. If you haven't checked out my videos, I'm trying different foods that I normally would not eat. And this is another one. So I'm gonna add this to my little repertoire in case I ever need an ice cream. I can go here and try the sugar-free. I asked him what it was sweetened with. He did not know. I typically do not like Splenda and all those sweeteners. I don't know what they sweeten it with, but there's no aftertaste either. So again, this is Kimmy, just a diet video vlog. I'm out here living my life and decided to stop for ice cream today. Well, in the meantime, I wish you guys healthy, happy journeys, and I'll be in touch. Bye. Try something different today. If you try something recently that contributes to your weight loss, drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Until next time. We thank you again for listening to today's episode of Healthy Life with Kimmy's podcast. We invite you also to join us over on our YouTube channel, again, Healthy Life with Kimmy. And don't forget to sign up for free emails where you again will receive tips, tricks, and always be notified when we are going live. Well, thank you again, and we wish you much success. Don't forget, fit is the new it.